Welcome back, friends. Today we're in Jahangir Pura, Peshawar, walking through its busy bazaar to see real Peshawar life, real people, and real culture. Jahangir Pura is an old central locality of Peshawar. Close to the historic city areas, it connects easily to busy markets and traditional neighborhoods, which is why it always feels alive. As soon as you enter Jahangir Pura on foot, the pace of life feels fast but familiar. Streets are narrow, buildings are old but strong, and everything happens close together. You hear shop shutters, horns, voices, and bargaining all at once. The bazaar is practical, not fancy, built for daily life. You'll find general stores and grocery shops, cloth and tailoring shops, shoe stalls, especially local chappals, small workshops, electric, mobile, metal, repair work, street vendors selling fruits, snacks and tea. Shops are small but packed, sometimes run by the same family for generations. Jahangir Pura Peshawar is especially famous for making original Peshawari chappals. This area is known for skilled craftsmen, strong leather, and beautiful traditional designs. Each chappal is handmade with care, combining comfort, durability, and classic Pashtun style. That's why Jahangir Pura remains one of the most trusted places for real Peshawari chappals. Kohati Gate is one of the historic gates of Old Peshawar, a place where time feels layered rather than linear. Every step through this area carries echoes of the city's past, yet life here is anything but frozen. Among its many identities, Kohati Gate is most famously known for its birds market, a unique corner of Peshawar where nature, tradition, trade, and human emotion meet in a crowded, noisy, and deeply fascinating space. First impressions of Kohati Gate. Approaching Kohati Gate, the first thing that hits you is sound. It is not just the usual noise of traffic, shopkeepers and bargaining voices. It is mixed with chirping, fluttering wings, whistles and calls of birds from all directions. This soundscape immediately sets the area apart from other markets in Peshawar. The streets are narrow and busy, lined with old buildings that show their age proudly. Some walls are cracked, some doors are heavy and wooden, and many shops look like they have been standing here for generations. Kohati Gate does not try to look modern, it remains loyal to its roots. As you walk deeper, cages begin to appear, small, large, hanging, stacked, each holding birds of different colors, sizes and temperaments. This is when you realize that you have entered a world within a world. The birds market at Kohati Gate is not just a place to buy and sell animals. Nostalgic, it is a living tradition that has existed for decades. People from across Peshawar, nearby districts, and even other parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa come here for one reason: birds. Some come to buy, some to sell, and many come simply to look. You will find sparrows and pigeons, parrots and budgies, mynas and bulbuls, quails and doves, fancy pigeons with feathered feet and patterned wings. Move. Each bird has its own story, and each cage reflects the personality of the seller behind it. Most bird sellers at Kohati Gate are not newcomers. This trade is often family-based, passed down from father to son. Many shopkeepers can tell you exactly how long a bird will live, what it eats, how it sings, and how to care for it properly. They speak with confidence and pride. For them, birds are not just merchandise, they are companions, assets, and symbols of skill. Some buyers travel long distances to Kohati Gate because they trust the quality here. They believe that if a bird comes from Kohati Gate, it is authentic, well-kept, and fairly priced. If you like my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support me by sharing this video.